Okay, this is the Akoyu door or window alarm. There's 4 in the pack. Let's have a look at what we've got. These are the 4 activator magnets. These are the actual alarms. These are the sticky pads, adhesive on both sides, so you don't have to, so you can affix that. And these are some shims. Actually, these are adhesive to put them up in different ways. More for these guys here. Yeah, that would fit very nicely there. All right, let's start one up and see how it goes. Okay. There's an on-off switch. This is the set button. And takes 2 AAA batteries. Let's see what it's like. Oh. Dang, that's loud. That is really loud. Whew. That's the alarm. Okay, so you're going to set it in the window like that, right? One side is the window or the door. And when the door opens, now it doesn't turn off automatically when the door closes. So if somebody breaks in, it's going to continue to go. Now there's different ways to set this, so let me first turn this off, because it is freaking loud. That's good. Let's see, it can be used in different ways. We're going to set this as a doorbell. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn this on. And we're going to set it as a doorbell. So that should be 2. See what happens. So for a shop owner or somebody who has a business, that's pretty useful. This is 3. This is the alarm that sounds when it opens and then closes. It goes off when it closes. This might be more useful for a family that needs to use this quite a bit. So let's set this for 4, which is the open reminder. Okay, and this is to let you know that you've left something open. You see a nice little chime after, I think, 10 seconds. Let's count it out. That's pretty immediately. Just let you know that you left the door or window open. So you get 4 of these with the 4 magnets. Now, let me turn this off so it doesn't go so loud. Important when you install this, don't install this up against a window or door, because you've got to be able to open this. You need to, this is the speaker, and this is the set button, on and off. And when you place it anywhere next to a door or window, make sure if it's up against something, it's this side and not this side, because you need to open this for the batteries. Pretty effective. I'm pretty happy so far. We're going to see about setting them up. Also, when you set it up, you probably want to be able to access the set and the on and off buttons. Let's just test to see where is the optimal place to put the magnet. It pretty much works anywhere along the perimeter. It's just got to be close enough. You can do it on top. Obviously, you don't want to do it on the bottom because that's where you're going to put your adhesive. Anywhere around the object is a good place to place it. Excellent. Let's get these set up.